What do you have to prove if you file a car accident lawsuit in Nevada? Well, you have to show that there was a duty owed to you, that that duty was breached, and that you suffered damages as a result. So what does that look like? Well, everybody on the roadway owes a duty of care to everybody else. So the first element is often easy to overcome. The second element, breach, you must show that somebody violated the rules of the road and caused an accident. And as a result of that accident, you suffered damages. What would your damages look like? That would be your medical expenses, any lost wages, and then pain and suffering. I like to break up pain and suffering into two different categories. The pain is evident from your medical records. If you have a broken bone, if you have a torn ligament, people know what that's like. Suffering is different and it's individual to you. For instance, if I was unable to play with my kids at the park because I had a back injury, that would be mental suffering for me. You can claim those damages, present them to a judge or a jury, and they can award whatever number that they feel is necessary to make you whole.